for yogurt. Repeat with me. Y says Y, like in yacht, yogurt, and yo-yo. Repeat after me. Z for zoo. Repeat after me. Z for zipper. Repeat after me. Z for zebra. Repeat with me. Z says Z, like in zebra, zipper, and zoo. Learning the ABCs with us today.